Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Rameshsoft video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about filters on in streams. In the last video, we discussed about what is a stream and how to get stream concept. Right. Now, in this session, we'll see about a filter concept. Now, by using filters, suppose if you want to process or filter the elements from the collection based on some condition, that condition should be of like Boolean, then we can go for what? A filter concept. Now see here now, in order to process that elements based on some condition using this filter, what is the syntax we have? Just observe it now. In stream interface, we have the method called, what is the method? A filter method. It will take you the argument as a predicate. Now, in the earlier videos, I explained in detail, right? In the earlier videos, I explained in detail what is a predicate, right? A predicate is an what? A functional interface in java.equal a function package. So, what is the use of that predicate? If you want to evaluate something on condition based, then we can go for what? Predicate, right? So, see now what is syntax of this? Interface, some predicate, right? And inside this, we have a method called, what is that method? A test method. Yes, sir. So this is a predicate function interface. Very good. It means if you want to process the elements, filter the elements based on some condition, then go for what? A filter. Let me take one example. Just observe here now. What I'm doing is I'm taking one class. Now let me take new class. I'm taking something like filter test. Now what I'm doing is now observe. Now observe. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some list. Generic question I'm taking list some data is equal to new array list, and then so what I'm doing is let me add data dot add of something hello and the data dot add of Rameshsoft and some data dot add of From this, I want to process the elements sequentially using what now? Stream concept. How do I get the stream object? Data dot. What is the method we have in collection interface? A default method called stream. Now, from this, I want to process a lot of methods are there here now. All match, any match, collect, count, lot of stories there. What I'm doing is, let me go with filter. See here now, returns a stream consisting of the elements of this stream that match the given predicate. Given predicate. Means predicate is what? Predicate is what? So predicate to apply to each element to determine if it should be what? Included. It means if you want to return some values based on the condition, then go for what? A filter. Now what I'm doing is, I want all the elements which their length is greater than or is equal to what? 4. Now what I'm doing is, I'm writing lambda expression is not length something I'm writing less than or is equal to 5. And then collect all the elements. For that we have a method called collect, and then we have one predefined class gather all those things into a what? A list. Now I'm going to get all the elements which is the length greater than less than or is equal to what? 5. Now I'm going to get all the elements in the form of list. Now data 1. what I'm doing is, so I'm going to get all the elements in the form of list. Now let me print. I'm printing data 1 dot for each. Now I'm writing sys of system dot println of. Let me print the values of what is that? It's, or if you want, you can apply right wherever lambda expression is there. We can apply what? What is that? Method reference. You can apply. Just apply. You know what I'm doing now. Now let me run this. See here now. How many elements I am getting it now? Hello, and what? Hello. Only one element is there. Let me make this one as greater than. Now let's run it. Right click. Run as Java application. Now see now. All elements are having greater than is equal to what? 1. Yes, sir. Yes, suppose let me give here. I am giving as 2. Run it. Right click, run as Java application. Now because less than or equal, there is no element, right? Suppose if I make this one as AB, now I'm going to get what? That. See. So this is a way to filter the elements based on what? Some condition. Right? Yes. So now observe here, boss. What I'm doing is, how we can use this in Selenium, basically, right? Now just apply it. So what I'm doing is, I'm taking, let's assume that I'm taking, let me take some remote, this is not the exact code, I'm writing the pseudo code. Remote web driver, some driver is equal to Chrome driver, right? After that, what I'm doing is, let me comment out this. So after this, what I'm doing is, I'm opening the page, driver dot get off. Let me https www.com. After this, find all the elements from this page. Find the elements, right? Find the elements, by dot, what is that? X path. I'm writing the slash star. Now I'm going to get all the elements in the form of what now? First, it contains all the elements in the form of list. Right. Now these are all my elements. From this list, I want to filter the elements. I want to process the elements based on what some condition. For that, what I'm doing is elements dot. What is the method we have? Stream. Now I'm going to get what is the object? A stream object. Right? Yes. Now I'm writing stream. Using the string, I want to filter when I'm processing the elements. I want to process based on what now? Some condition based, right? So for that, what I'm doing is a filter, give the condition. What I'm doing is element dot is displayed and element dot is enabled. If so, collect all the elements. Right? Who is going to take care of it? That collector dot to what? List. Now I'm going to get all the elements into a list. Now I'm taking one more list element. Now let me print that values. I'm taking from this elements 1. I'm printing all the enabled and what displayed links. How the thing? I'm writing thing like this. So what I'm doing is, this is the thing. Now I'm getting total number of elements. While I'm processing one by one using string, I'm getting only the elements which is displayed at work. Very good. And even right, in this string, we have a lot of methods out there. Just observe, what I'm doing is, let me take string dot see all match, like any match. Collect, you guys know, count. I want to get the total number of elements in the string. I want to get the strict elements. I want to find any value. A filter, like see here, lot of elements there as a part of what? Thus strings. So this is a way to use the filters concept in both Java and C. Whenever you want to trigger, whenever you want to process the elements based on what? Some condition, then go for what? A filters concept. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.